Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter the circle, and dear students, in that chapter we discussed about general the general equation of the circle, and we discussed about the circle. The general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, and in which, dear student, the center of that circle is what? Minus g and minus f, and the radius of the circle is what? G square plus f square minus c. Dear student, this is one of the most important result of the circles. Okay, now today, dear students, we take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Let's see. We take and solve some questions based on the general equation of the circle. Let's see. Take a question which is very important for you, dear student. Most important question. Your question is find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the points which passes through the points 5 minus 8 comma 2 minus 9 and 2 1 and 2 1. Dear student, this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, let's see once more time. Here your question is find the equation of the circle which passes through the points 5 minus 8, which passes through the point 5 minus 8, 2 comma minus 9 and 2 comma 1. Okay, now please concentrate on the question. Now let's see its solution. Okay, what is the process to find that type of equation of the circle? Let's see its solution. Dear student, first of all, we know that the general equation of the circle is, let's see, let the required equation of the circle is what? Let's see, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, let's see. Let us consider the general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Take equation number 1. Okay, now look. Now what I do? Let's see, dear students. That required equation of circle passes through these points as my 5 minus 8, 2 comma minus 9 and 2 1. Let's see. When circle first passes through the point 5 minus 8, then from equation 1, let's see, dear students, if that equation of circle is passes through the point 5 minus 8, then the general then when circle 1 passes through the point 5 minus 8, then it must be satisfy the equation 1. Okay, from that, then from 1 what I get, dear student, we put x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 8. Let's see, we put as 5 square plus y square means minus 8 square plus 2g into x is 5 plus 2f into y means minus 8 plus c is equal to 0. Now what I get, let's see, we have 5 5 25 plus 8 8 is a 6 plus 64 plus 5 2 is a 10g plus minus 2 8 is a 16f plus c is equal to 0. Now let's see what I get. We get as 5 4 9 6 2 89 plus 10g minus 16f plus c is equal to 0. Now we get as 10g minus 16f plus c is equal to minus 89. Take equation number 2. Okay, dear student, in this way we get a relation as 10g minus 16f plus c is equal to minus 89 when the circle 1 is passes through the point 5 minus 8. Okay, dear students, similarly now we take similarly when that circle 1 means circle 1 passes through the point 2 minus 1. Let's see. Similarly when circle first passes through the point passes through the point 2 minus 9, then let's see, then again from 1, then again from equation 1 we get. Okay, dear students, similarly when circle first passes through the point what 2 minus 9, then again from equation 1 what I get, we put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 9. Let's see, from equation 1 we get what, we put x is equal to 2, so 2 square plus y square as minus 9 square plus 2gx means 2g into x is what 2 plus 2fy means what minus 9. Okay, plus c is equal to 0. Now let's see, we get as 2 to the 4 plus 9 9 the 81 plus 81 and here 2 to the 4g plus minus 2 9 the 18f plus c is equal to 0. Now let's see, we get as 4g minus 18f plus c is equal to, here let's see, here 81 or 485, so 85 transfer that side, we get minus 85. Take equation number 3. Okay, dear students, when the circle 1 passes through the point, which point 2 minus 9, in that condition we find the general equation of the circle, we get a relation 4g minus 18f, right, plus c is equal to minus 85. Okay, similarly dear student, again similarly when the circle 1 passes through the point 2 1, let's see, now let's see, now when the circle first passes through the point, which point passes through the point 2 1. Okay, passes to the point 2 1, then again from equation 1 we get. Okay, dear students, when equation first is passes to the point 2 1, then again from equation 1 what I get, let's see, when we put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in that equation, then we get as 2 square plus 1 square plus 2gx, x means what 2, plus 2fy means 1 plus c is equal to 0. Now in that condition we get as 2 to the 4 plus 1 plus 4 into g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Now we get as 4g plus 2f plus c is equal to 4 plus 1 5, transfer that side minus 5, we get equation number 4. Now look, dear students, in this way when that required equation of circle passes through all 3 points, we get a relation, we form 3 equations as 10g minus 4g 16f plus c is equal to this and this. Now dear student, now next step is what, that now first we subtract equation, we take equation 2 and 3rd and subtract them, we get a relation between g and f. Similarly then after we take equation 4 and 3, in this way we also find the relation between g and f, and we solving that equation to find the value of g and f. Now let's see dear students, which is very important topic. Now Now what I do, dear student, we do as we subtract equation 3 from 2. Now equation 2 minus equation 3 we get, let what I get, let's see, equation 2 minus this, so we write as 10g minus 16f plus c minus, we write 4g minus 18f plus c, okay, is equal to, this is minus 89 minus 85. Now let's solve it, dear student. We get as what, 10g minus 4g, that is 6g, okay, here minus 16f, here minus plus 18f, so plus minus is 16f and plus 18f is what, plus 2f, so here we write plus 2f, plus c and minus c cancel to each other, and in that side we get what, let's see, we get as minus 89 minus plus 85, so we get what, minus 89 plus 85, so we get what, minus 4. Now we take 2 as common, so we get 3g plus f is equal to minus 2. Take equation number 5. In this way we get a relation between g and f as 3g plus f is equal to minus 2. In this way we take equation number 5. Okay. Now similarly, now we take equation 3 and 4. Here we take equation 2 and 3 now. Now look. Now equation 3 minus equation 4 we also form an equation, and equation 3 is what, equation 3 is what, this, so we write as 4g minus 18f plus c minus, and 4 is that, so we write as in bracket 4g plus 2f plus c is equal to, this is your minus 85 minus, this is your minus 5, we write in this way. Now look, now let's see its solution. Now we simplify that, then we get, let's see, here plus g plus 4g minus 4g cancel to each other, okay, and minus 8f 18f and minus 2f, this is minus what, minus 18f now, minus 18f and minus 2f, this is minus 20f, and plus c minus c cancel to each other, and equal to what I get, let's see, here minus 85 minus 1 plus 5, so we get as what, minus 80. So in this way minus also cancel to each other, so the value of f is equal to 80 upon 20, 0 0 2 4 is 8, so the value of f is what, 4. In this way, after solving, when we subtract equation 3 and minus equation 4, then in this way we get the value of f is what, 4. Now we find the value of g. For that we put the value of f in equation 5. Now we put f is equal to 4 in equation which 5? In equation 5 we get, let's see, if we put f is equal to 4 in equation 5, we get as 3g plus, for f, the value of f is 4 is equal to minus 2, so in this way we get as 3g is equal to minus 2 minus plus 4 transfer that side, minus 4, that is what, minus 6. So in this way the value of g is equal to what, minus 6 upon 3, 3 2 is 6 is equal to, so in this way the value of g is minus 2. Thus, dear students, in this way we get the value of f is 4 and the value of g is 2. Now what I do, dear students, now we also find the value of c. For that we put the value of f and g in equation 4. In which equation? In equation 4. Let's see. Now this is a very long question, dear students, and very important. Now we put the values of g and f in equation 4. we get, let's see what I get. Let's see, we put the value of g and f in equation 4. We get as, let's see, 4 into the value of g is what? The value of g is minus 2, okay, plus 2 into the value of f is what? 4. The value of f is what? 4, okay, and plus c is equal to minus 5. Now look, we get as minus 8 plus 4 to the 8 plus c is equal to minus 5. 8 plus 8 minus cancel to each other, so we get as c is equal to minus 5. In this way, dear students, we get all the values, all the constant value in the general equation of the circle is the value of f, g and c. Now in start we take the required equation of the circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now dear students, we put all the values as of g, f and c in equation first, which is the required equation of circle. Let's see. Thus we put the values of g, f and c in equation 1. We get the equation 1 is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx. 2 into g is what? The value of g is what? Minus 2. 2gx plus 2fy, na? 2 into f. F is what? 4. 2fy. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. C means what? Minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we solving them. We get x square plus y square minus 2 to the 4x plus 2 for the 8y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is our required answer, and hence our answer is what? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 8y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so in this way, the student, the required equation of the circle. So in this way, the required equation of circle, which is passes through 3 given points, is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 8y minus 5 is equal to 0. Dear student, this is one of the most important topic questions of that topic. Okay, so please do more and more practices of that type of question. This is the long answer type questions, okay, which is very important for you and your syllabus. Now this topic is also completed now, dear students. Now you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the general equation of the circle in this way. Okay, now we take the last topic of the chapter circle, which is what? Let's see. Now we discuss about that topic, which is last of that chapter. Diameter form of a circle. Now we discuss about the topic diameter form of a circle. Let's see. Now we discuss about the topic diameter form of a circle. Diameter form of a circle. Let's see. The equation of the circle drawn. Let's see the equation of the circle drawn on the straight line on the straight line joining two given points joining two given points as x1 y1 and x2 y2 as diameter as diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Dear student, this is very important topic, okay, which is very important for you. Dear students, let's see once more time the equation of the circle drawn on the straight line joining 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 as diameter is given by this. Now let's see its proof. Dear student, first of all we draw an coordinate axis as, let's see, x dash y dash. Okay, now we draw a circle in this way, and here this is the point as a coordinate. Now let's see, C is the center and we join in this way. Here AB is the diameter of the circle of center O and having coordinate as x1 y1 and here coordinate as x2 y2. Now let P be any point on the circle xy. Now we join P and PB. And dear student, you know that the angle in the semicircle is always what, 90 degree. So that angle is always equal to 90 degree, because of we know that the angle in a semicircle is always equal to 90 degree. Now let's see. Let's see its proof. Let us consider AB as a diameter of the circle. Okay, now let's see. And the coordinate of A is what? Coordinate of A is what? x1 y1 and coordinate of B is what? x2 y2. And let P xy be any point on the circle. Then the slope of the line AP, which line? AP is what? You know that y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Let's see here. This is let as x1, that is x1 y1, that is take as x2 y2. Okay, so we have what we get as y minus y1 upon x minus x1. This is the slope of the line AP. You know that when a line passing through two given point, then in that condition the slope of the given line is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Similarly, the slope of the line PB, the slope of a line PB, let's take M2. This is also equal to what? Apply same formula and we get what? Y minus y2 upon x minus x2. Now look, now what I do, dear students, in previous class in the chapter straight line we discussed already, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then in that condition the product of their slope is always equal to -1. So here we apply that property. Okay, let's see. Since the lines AP and PP are perpendicular to each other, that is, if they are perpendicular to each other, then M1, M2, M2 is equal to -1. Now we put the value of M1 and M2. Let's see, that is value y minus y1 upon x minus x1 into M2 is y minus y2 upon x minus x2 is equal to minus 1. Now let's see. Thus, let's see. We get as what? We get as y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to, we multiply that side, so we get x minus x1 into minus x minus x1 into x minus x2. Okay, now we transfer that side, we get as what? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay, y minus y2 is equal to 0. Hence, dear student, we can prove, that result. So in this way, the equation of a circle having their diameter, points of their diameters is x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by the relation x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay, now we take one questions based on that topic, and now we complete all the chapter of your circle. Suppose that let's take, find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle whose coordinate of the endpoints of whose diameter. Okay, and diameter, the coordinate of its diameter as, let's see, is O, and AB is the diameter, is given as what? Minus 1 2 minus 1 2, and the other one is 4 minus 3. Now look, we take as x1 y1 x2 y2. Since, let's see its solution, you know that the relation what? You know that, since we know that in diameter form the required equation of the circle is what? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now we put the values. Let's see, x minus x1. The value of x1 is what? Minus 1, so it becomes plus 1 into x minus x2. x2 is what? 4 plus y minus y1 is what? 2 into y minus y2 means minus 3, so it becomes plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we multiply them, we get as x square minus 4x plus x plus minus 4 plus here we get y square plus 3y minus 2y minus plus minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 0. So we get as x square plus y square minus 3x minus 3x, okay, here plus 1y plus 1y and minus 6 minus 4 minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 is equal to 0. Let's see its answer, required answer. Let's see x square plus y square minus 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Yes, this is the required equation of the circle. This is our complete answer. Okay, thus, so dear student, in this way, if you find the equation of the circle and in that and the diameter, the coordinate of it, the diameter is given, in that condition you apply the formula of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. And we here same as here the diameter is given, and then here we apply the formula this, and in this way we put as the value of x1 x2 y1 y2. Okay, after solving them we get the required equation of the circle, which is x square plus y square minus 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So dear students, first, now your chapter circle is complete. Now in next class we discuss about the next topic of your conic section as parabola. So first you revise all the topic, all the questions, all the formulas, all the concepts regarding to circles. Then after you can solve each and every questions your NCERT exercise. Now in next class we take and solve some more important some next chapter of that units. Okay, now you revise all the questions and solve your NCERT exercise. Thank you.